Welcome to the Random Car channel. We have a new car in the Random Car Garage. This is a 2016 Mercedes GLA45. So there will be plenty of DIY videos for this car. If you take a look at the scheduled maintenance for this car, there's a laundry list of stuff that needs to be done often. So as the first video for this car, we're going to do some cold startups and some revs on this. Thank you for watching. Click like, put any comments in the comment section below, and please subscribe.